Hi guys, this is Mahbub Hassan and this is the topic today you can see in the screen. And based on this topic, I will show you what kind of question an web developer face before getting hired full-time in any freelancing marketplaces. So without any delay, let's start. So you can see I am now in my Upwork profile, and here in my message option you can clearly see a buyer replied me in favor of my application. I applied a few days ago, and I am gonna show you all that job post that is an American client named Sebastian Ananian Cooper posted a few days ago. And here you can see the job post, which is titled Improve Database Search Functionality Laravel plus AngularJS Full-Time Position. And here you can see I bid this job only 10,000 USD, and this is the cover letter of this is my cover letter, and under my cover letter this is the reply SMS from the buyer. And here you can see he writes, "Hi, thank you for your application. I would be interested in your answer in the next stage of interview process, and there is the link. Cheers, Seb." And here is a link where he asked his primary level interview question of this web development job. And if I click on this link, actually this page will open. The page is titled Quick Steps Survey for Developers. And here are my answer of the question against his questions. The first one is, who are you? Here you have to fill your name and email address. And the second one, the question is, you need to spend a week in a prison and you are allowed to take 3 things with you, everything you are allowed. So what do you take? First one, I answered a laptop. Second one, a modem with internet connection. Third one, an iPhone to communicate with my client or my dearest one. And the third question, which number should come next in the pattern? 15, 29, 56, 108, 28, 208. My answer will be, or your answer will be, if 400. So the next one, or the fourth question, is, do you play chess? I answered no. And the fifth one is, if you could visit one country or city, which one would it be and why? So I answered Melbourne, Australia is my favorite, is my first choice actually in this list, because it is nominated as the best livable place for human beings on 16 August 2017 by EIU. And the sixth one is, write an algorithm in JavaScript which will sort what by the length, the longest one first in the string. Banana, kiwi, apricot, orange. The answer of this question will be this one. It's a coding answer, so you can see the full answer of this question: banana, kiwi, apricot, and orange. Okay, And the next question is write a function in PHP to check if the number is binary, return true or not, return false. So the answer of this question will be this one. You can see the answer of that question. And the 8th question is if you could ask Santa for one gift only, what it would be? So it's my answer is to be recruited as Santa in his place from the next year. And the 9th question is if you had superpower to change into an animal whenever you want, what animal would you choose and why? So I answered a bird, of course, because I can travel around the world without passport if I change myself into a bird. The 10th question of the Sebastian is I am a full stack developer. How would you explain what I am doing to my grandmom who doesn't know anything about computers? I will tell her I'm an architect, a computer architect. I build the blueprint of websites or softwares as like an architect build the blueprints of bridges. And then press the done button and your question of the answer will be successfully completed. So these types of questions you were actually gonna face before getting hired on freelancing marketplaces. Hope this tutorial will help newbies a lot in getting their future job on web development. Before quitting this tutorial, this is the thumbnail of my next tutorial, which you can see on the screen right now, and the topic is earn $4,000 daily and be a millionaire in 1 year, 100% guaranteed. So to get auto notified of this tutorial, hit the subscribe and bell button. So thank you all for watching this tutorial with passion.